so much, Legion Paper, for sending me this. I can't wait to try it out. I love the fact that there was such a huge variety of different colors, but also paperweight. And I'm always picky about my paperweight depending on what I'm using it for. Sometimes I do prefer it to be a little bit heavier. Sometimes I prefer it to be lighter. So it really depends on the project, but I do like the fact that I have options because sometimes it's really hard to find certain weights for certain colors. So Legion Paper definitely has a wide range of it. I will link their information for you guys below the video. Look at how many green shades they have. I'm also really picky about my greens because I want to make sure that there is a variety of different shades of green, but in the right color, and I'm so glad that they have so many different options. They also sent me some foil paper. I'm so excited about it because I kind of want to make something out of foil, but I'm not sure. I love the fact that it has like reflection on it, so I'm excited to figure out what I can make out of that metallic paper. And like, look at that, that's cardstock. I love it. I'm gonna make some mini roses for Valentine's Day with some of the paper they gave me, so that's what I'll be working on today. I found these at Costco for 2 for $25. That is so cheap. I've never seen planters that cheap. It's a ceramic planter and then it has the stand, and it came with a bigger one and a smaller one, and I want to put one in the corner next to my new bookshelves. I can't wait to stylize my new bookshelves. These are kind of my old music books that I had to keep because I can't let them go yet, but I did sort through a lot of them, and then I have some books for my son. And then I'm thinking I want to style this new bookshelf kind of minimal, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it, so that's what I'll be working on. I love how these came out. They are from a company called GSJJ. Basically, you could choose any design that you want, and then they'll customize and turn it into an enamel pin. But they also offer keychains, stickers, all sorts of different products. And I love the fact that you can use it for promotional products, either for your brand, like your logo, or you can do a custom design like I did, where I turned one of my flower doodles. It is a template for like a card on my website, but I turned it into a pin and it's so cute. I love how it came out. I'll link all their information below the video. And today I want to make a paper plant for the pot that I got from Costco. I can't believe it was so cheap. So I want to put it next to those new bookshelves that I got. So hopefully I come up with something. So yeah, that's what I'll be working on today. Thank you.